Hello, friends! It's time to play a sound guessing game. Hooray, hooray! I'll make a sound, then give a clue. Can you guess who? Let's see what you do. Moo, moo, moo. Moo, moo, moo. It chews on grass and stands so tall. It lives on farms behind a stall. It gives us milk and loves to say moo all day. Can you guess what it is? Yes, a cow. Moorific job. Woof, woof, woof. It guards the yard and runs so quick. It loves a walk and knows a trick. With floppy ears and wagging tail, its bark will never fail. What do you think it is? That's right, a dog. Awesome guess. Quack, quack, quack. It swims and flaps and loves to dive. In muddy ponds, it comes alive. With yellow feathers and funny feet, its quack is loud and sweet. Do you know this one? Yes, it's a duck. Quack, quack, hooray. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Packs and peeps and lays an egg. It waddles round on little legs. With feathers white and red on top, it clucks without a stop. Can you name this sound? Right again, it's a chicken. Excellent. Neigh, neigh, neigh. It gallops fast across the land without following mane and legs so grand. It wears a saddle on its back and runs along a dusty track. Who could that be? Yes, a horse! You are racing ahead. Hoo, hoo, hoo. When night falls down and stars appear, this quiet bird is always near. With giant eyes and silent wings, it watches over everything. Can you guess who's hooing? Of course, it's an owl. Who did a great job? You did. You guessed the moo, the woof, the quack, the cluck and neigh. You brought them back. And when the owl went hoo, 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 you said its name. That's right, it's true. You are amazing at this game. Let's play again and guess more names. See you soon on Guess That Sound.